The ready-mix concrete industry is always about time, pressure, and accountability. And today, it faces a lot of struggles when it comes to relying on manual updates from drivers and other track and trace methods, which leads to delivery delays in orders, increased costs due to fuel consumption, and unsatisfied customers. What if I told you that there is an easy way to not only provide accurate location and data status in real time, but also decrease operational costs, increase fleet efficiency, and enhance your customer experience? How is that possible? Introducing AFAQY's ready-mix logistics solution. AFAQY's system is the only complete solution ensuring the consistent manufacturing and transport of concrete from plant by machine learning program and getting data from the attaching of a concrete mixer sensor comprised of a small sensor, 2 bolts, and a bracket. The built-in circuit of the sensor amplifies the signal and provides rotation, direction, and speed for various concrete mixer trucks, along with the flow meter sensor to monitor the water levels while mixing the concrete and connect information with fleet management. With AFAQY, you can smart monitor your trucks from the moment they leave the plant and arrive to the customer's site by creating geofencing zones to make notification for entering or getting out of them with exact time and date. Tracking and tracing your trucks while loading, discharging, and washing. Also, you can easily communicate with drivers in case an emergency happens en route. And at the end of any trip, you can get the required and reliable reports, which can be generated for the whole control of all mixer status, and the time of each status, with a detailed report of the concrete trip. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and increase your revenue, efficiency, enhance your customer experience and your market reputation. Boost your ready-mix trucks' productivity and efficiency now. AFAQY, simplifying your work.